for the gram. Bitches love the gram.
Oh wait, shit.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muthoharul Janaan. I'm PBI 7D and my name is 173221142. Okay. So here I will explain you about descriptive text and writing. Okay. Reading. As a reader, you should be able to see what you are reading. Descriptive text describes in detail the subject. Writing. When you are the writer, you should describe your subject with vivid details. And second, the best way to achieve this is to use your experiences to supplement your writing. So the question to ask yourself: what does the person or place look like? What sounds do I hear? What does it feel like? What does it taste like? What does it smell like? Tips: think about exactly what you want to convey. For example, if you are mad, you would not say you tiptoed into a room. You will most likely storm into a room if you are angry. A hike went in Jamaica. I will read you about text. The sun was still red and large. The sky above cloudless and like to glassboard over baking clay. But close over the ground a dirty grey haze hovered. As they followed the land towards the sea, they came into a place where yesterday a fair-sized spring had bubbled up by the roadside. Now it was dry, but even as they passed, some water splashed out, and then it was dry again, although gurgling inwardly to itself. But the group of children were far too hot to speak to one another. They sat on their ponies as loosely as possible, longing for the sea. The morning advanced. The heat air grew quite as easily hotter as if from some innermost farm fish from which it could drop at will. Bullock only shift their stinging feet when they could bear the soil no longer. Even the insects were too lethargy to peep. The basking lizards hid themselves and panted. It was so still you could have heard the less buzz a meal off. But a naked fish would willingly move his tail. The ponies advanced because they must. The children kissed even to think. Richard Hooks. Question: what are the three details that convey the extreme heat of the day? How did the heat affect the children? How did the animal life respond to the heat? Later in the day, a hurricane hits the area. How do the description in the passage suggest that something big is about to happen? This example for you. Please write and here some picture. So please answer the question for exercise to you all. Okay. Here we finish. I will explain you about descriptive tools. Simile. A simile is a figure of speech in which two things that are not obviously like each other are compared to make a description more vivid. A simile will often begin with a phrase introduced by like or as. Descriptive tools: metaphors. Metaphors are like concentric similes, and in a metaphor, two dissimilar things are compared, but rather than saying one is like to the other, a metaphor goes a stage further and makes one thing become another. Okay, maybe enough from me. If my mistake, if any, thank you very much. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.